Hey, good morning. So I am Safiya. I am mother of Aisha Ali who studies here. My daughter studies in PP2. We have been associated with the school from past a year, and so far our experience has been really good. The interactions, the partnership with the school has been really good. We are working as a team to make our kids growth develop in various aspects, her skill set growth. So I like the concept of this mix of sports and academics, which really we wanted, and we have. So before joining here, we did a lot of research, and then we came here, and that was the expectation that the school is a good blend of sports and academics, which is really something which also we found out over this year. The partnership with the class teacher, having open houses where common issues can be addressed, can be discussed, child's growth, child's concerns can be addressed, and like the monthly teachers parent teachers meeting, very important thing to call out here, they give us a privilege to have it online, which actually is really good for us. Like me as a working mom, we really find difficulty to coming all over here to have that discussion. So that actually saves a lot of time and effort there, and we get to interact with the class teacher directly, ask how our child is doing, what is her progress, what I feel I share, what teachers have a feedback they share with us. So that is something, a collaborative effort, I will say, for being a parent with the teacher. We constructively work together on these lines of child's growth. Yes, and the sports they have conducted, there are and they have annual days, which is really really nice to have both together in a year. There are schools who really do not have both; they have to either go for one. So that actually gives the child lot of platform to grow. The stage which they have been given, as I have seen in the annual day, was really nice way that can boost a child's confidence. The environment in the school teaches a child a lot, where they can get all positive and right values, which can add to the child's growth as they grow up. So yeah, this the experience is really good so far. Thank you. That is all from my side.